In the unforgiving wilderness, every decision and every skill can mean the difference between survival and danger. Among the most ingenious and crucial skills is the construction of a simple, yet incredibly powerful, clay rocket stove. While its construction requires ingenuity, its advantages in a survival situation are crucial. Now, you might have seen basic rocket stoves built from tin cans. They work for a quick boil, but our clay design offers something far superior in a long-term scenario. It boasts incredible thermal mass, meaning it holds and radiates heat for much longer. Our toolkit is as fundamental as it gets. Our hands, of course, will be our primary sculptors. A simple digging stick or flat stone for excavation, a sharp stone or a knife for refinement, and, crucially, water, the lifeblood that transforms inert earth into workable clay. That's it. Once the main structure is built to your desired height, we need a way to support our cooking pot. You can either gently carve 3 small notches into the top lip of the chimney, or build equally spaced clay lumps on top. This creates space for airflow around the pot, preventing the flame from being smothered. Use your knife or a sharp stone to carefully define these supports. Let's talk about exceptional fuel efficiency. This is where the clay rocket stove truly shines. Unlike open fires, which burn logs quickly, rocket stoves achieve an astonishing efficiency of 60 to 80%. This means minimal fuel consumption. You don't have to search for large logs or cut down trees. Instead, you collect small twigs, branches, and wood scraps, things that are easy to find and gather. This drastically reduces the time and energy required for food preparation. Efficiency isn't the only advantage, though. The clay rocket stove offers high heat output for cooking and heating. The concentrated heat output and the ingenious design, with a chimney that directs the heat directly into the pot, enable rapid cooking and boiling. Mastering the clay rocket stove isn't just a skill for survival, it's a commitment to self-reliance. If this lesson has sharpened your edge, show your support by hitting the like button, sharing this knowledge with your network, and subscribing for more critical survival insights. Your preparation is your greatest asset. Stay smart, stay skilled, and I'll see you in the next crucial lesson.